making a super easy apple bread.
Got my spice cake mix. You can use yellow cake mix or white cake mix if you want. Oops, I forgot to cut up my apples. And this is purely optional, but vanilla if you want, just to give it a little bit of flavor. And this is also 100% optional. Add some nuts. Do walnuts or pecans, both would be really good. You want a simple apple cake recipe or dining on a dime? Cookbook Volume 1 has one from scratch that you can also try if you would like. Got my loaf pan. Spraying it with my oil. And because I like my apple stuff extra cinnamony, I'm going to take cinnamon and sugar and sprinkle it on top. Now we're going to bake this. The recipe is in the description below. All right, here is my apple bread. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to cut into this. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on its side so it will cool quicker, so that hopefully I can cut it before the show and taste test it. All right, my show is in 5 minutes. So even though this isn't completely cooled, I'm gonna cut into it. All right, Mike's not here, so I'm gonna taste test. Oh, that is darn tootin' good. Oh, yum.